Hello together! Today I want to show you how to shut down your Huawei Nova 9 SE and restart it. Normally we would just push the power button here at the right, but when we do it on the Huawei Nova 9 SE, this happens. And there comes the AI voice and which wants to talk to us. So I can press on cancel, and if I press it again and again, this AI voice comes. So I can tip on next and then on agree, and then I can select my conversation language, like here English, United States or other things while it is talking, and I can do a little bit other things and press just done. It doesn't matter. And then we have this assistant, and this assistant will always go start when I want to shut down my phone. So it's pretty annoying in my eyes. So what we can do is two things. The first thing is we can shut down this AI voice. So we go to the settings, and when I go to the settings, I can go a little bit down to the Huawei Assistant. And when I have my Huawei Assistant, I can go to AI voice, click on it, and then I can disable AI voice. So you are terminating your user agreement with us. Okay, disable shortcut. So when I now want to shut it down, okay, again it says, hello, I'm Celia, things you can ask me, and so on and so forth. I can go to the settings, and then wake with power button, I can shut it off. So when I press it the next time, press it down for 3 seconds and then restart and power off. So I can just restart or power off my phone without any problems. So this is the first step. On the other hand, you can of course use AI voice. So we go again back to the settings, to the Huawei Assistant, and I will enable here wake with power button. Yes, agree, English, next, agree, and next, and oh my god, okay, so it is here again. So what can we do next? So I want to power it off, and again this starts. But if you press the power button for 3 seconds, then it will also go to restart and power off. So if you want to use the AI assistant, you just press it a short time, and then it will start with the assistant. And if you want to restart it or to shut it down, then it will then you must press it 3 seconds, and then you can push the restart or the power off button. So these are the possibilities. If you use AI voice, then you can enable it. If you won't use it, then disable it. But so if you want to restart or power off, just press your power button for 3 seconds and then choose if you want to restart or power off. I hope this video helped you a little bit with the Huawei Nova 9 SE. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. It would be very great if you could support me with this. And if you have any questions, write in the comments. And if you aren't a subscriber until now, please subscribe to my channel. It would be really great. We see us the next time. Bye bye.